Hey there, this is Alexandra Pittas, and I'm standing in the entryway of our new building. Come on in and I'll give you a tour. We're in the foyer, two-story foyer. Behind me, you'll see Cleo's office, and through Cleo's office is Father Ari's office. Notice the beautiful window in front of Cleo so she can see who's coming in and who's coming out. As you come to my right, you'll see the staircase, which leads up to our Sunday school classrooms. Again, notice the beautiful windows as you enter, you have that feeling of happiness. Upstairs, there are also closets for storage for Greek dance costumes, Greek school materials. Staircase is behind me, and to the left of me is the hallway that leads to Trinity Hall. And as you get to Trinity Hall, you're going to pass boardrooms, storage, the nursery, the library, bookstore, and then Trinity Hall. Down the hallway into the pre-function area. To the left is a small dining room where we can have our coffee and pastries for coffee hour. The pre-function area, as you can see, is quite large for our fellowship after church, for cocktail parties, before weddings, baptisms, any type of celebration. To the right of me is the library and bookstore, and that's where we'll have display cases with our icons, books, artifacts, etc. So I'm standing in the pre-function area. To the left of me are the doors that will lead out to the courtyard, where we'll have our festival and other outdoor activities. But to the right of me, follow me this way, to the beautiful Trinity Hall. It doesn't need any explanation. It's beautiful. I'll let you take it all in. So if you remember from the last video that Miss Cleo did, the kitchen is where you could feel her love and excitement. Understandably so. Look at the hood behind me. It's chef's dream. Just like any kitchen, you can feel the love. It's where everybody comes and gathers. And Holy Trinity, outside of Divine Liturgy, when you come into the kitchen, whether you're preparing for festivals or getting ready for a special coffee hour, you're welcomed there. And what a great place to prepare for the festival, prepare for coffee hours, prepare for weddings and baptisms. You have plenty of storage. It's very exciting. Thank you for joining us for our tour. I'm sorry we were unable to get upstairs. The workers are working as hard as they can to get us in as soon as possible. I look forward to seeing you all September 12th for the ribbon cutting and grand banquet. Take care.